The reason I went to Milan, it was a last minute thing because the officer who was supposed to go there could not go there, didn't get cleared to go medically. And instead of having to pick someone else who then would have to learn Italian for a year, which would leave the post vacant, they asked me, would you like to go to Milan? I said, sure, Italy, another 2 years. So career is not career enhancing at all to be so long in one country. But I thought, what the heck, I'll go. This is Italy after all, you know. So I went, and I knew, and also the other thing was I already knew SISMI, you know, I knew how they worked and all from Rome. Of course, Milan was completely different. There was one guy over there, D'Ambrosio, who was not interested in doing anything, you know, working jointly, and Bob was dealing with him. I was dealing with the consular crowd, the foreign consular crowd. That was who I was liaison with, mainly also because after 9/11, Afghanistan and getting into Iraq, and you know they wanted consensus, right, in the Bush administration to get in. And of course, you know that the Italians had a huge role to play in getting into Iraq. You know that huge role that's been complete, and now it's all coming out with Blair, you know, saying a thing. And because you know he bypassed the CIA and took his little forged documents and went to I don't know how come no one's covered that story. It should really be uncovered right now again because of this whole thing about the case for war in Iraq and you know ISIS coming out and things like that. The U.S. has paid for it in terms of anger from the world of what's going on, you know.